Mosaic art is a metaphor for life. Each individual piece becomes more beautiful when it's surrounded by other pieces. Every piece is enhanced when it's placed next to another, creating patterns, energy, and movement. Every tiny piece of this mosaic connects in some way to the piece next to it. My name is Bonnie Cohen, and I'm a mosaic artist. This project is a Percent for Arts project for the Washkewitz College of Engineering at Cleveland State University. When I toured the building, not one of the engineering professors could articulate what engineering was to them in a visual sense, which I thought was really interesting. So it was up to me, and it was a great challenge to me, to try to figure out what imagery on a 55-foot wall in the entry of this building is going to make it relevant to every single different engineering student and professor that would walk into the building. And the thing that kept coming up again and again was the word connect. Engineers connect people, concepts, materials, energy, formulas, patterns, and systems. Of the millions of diverse and unique connections, the profoundly simple goal of an engineer is to improve human life. So I came home and worked for 6 weeks solid, trying to figure out what's the perfect design for this. And I kept going back to what could be timeless. What could be timeless? I came up with the idea of going back 800 years to a scientist, a mathematician actually, named Fibonacci, and he came up with the Fibonacci sequence of numbers, which was then used during the Renaissance time, translated to the golden rectangle. And Michelangelo used that in his paintings. The Greeks used it in the Parthenon, this perfectly proportioned rectangle that was pleasing to artists and scientists and musicians. Anybody could use these numbers and the concept of the golden rectangles. So I started out by compiling my palette, which was about 50 different colors and types of tiles. And then I had to figure out what each letter, what the pattern was going to be. There's probably 8 or 9 or 10 different tiles in each letter, within each letter, and within each color. And I let the Fibonacci sequence guide me in the design.